Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of November 27th, 2023, Part 2. This week's theme is Mars. Life on Mars by John Agee. I am on Mars. I have traveled a long way from Earth. I am here to find life. Everybody thinks I'm crazy. Nobody believes there is life on Mars. But I do, and I just know that I'm going to find it. So far, Mars looks pretty gloomy, more gloomy than I thought. I'm starting to wonder, could anything possibly live here? It's dark. It's cold. I brought this gift of chocolate cupcakes. I don't think I'll find anybody to eat them. Wow, I was wrong. Mars is nothing but miles and miles of rocks and dirt. It's obvious. Nothing could possibly live here. What a disaster. Everybody was right. There is no life on Mars. I'm going home immediately. Uh-oh, where's my spaceship? I can't believe it. I'm lost. Lost on Mars where there is no life. Wait a minute. What's that? No way. It's life. It's on Mars and it's alive. What an amazing discovery. I can't wait to get back to Earth and show everybody what I found. And look, my box of cupcakes. How did it get there? Now I've got to find my spaceship. I bet I'll get a good view from the top of that mountain. Aha! There it is! What an adventure! I always believed there was life on Mars, and I was right. I think I deserve a treat. The end. Alright, we're going to make our own planet Mars, our own red planet. So what you're going to need is your Craft-to-Go kit, red and black paint. And if you want to look at the instructions that come with the Craft-to-Go kit, I have a picture of Mars right up here. You can see it's red with black, kind of orangish red, but with black. So that's how we're going to kind of paint it. Craft-to-Go kit includes, oh, it's hard to open. Okay. Some star stickers, a circle for your planet Mars, piece of aluminum foil, and a black piece of paper, construction paper. You're going to use that to glue the planet onto. So you'll also need a glue stick. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, let's move this out of the way. I'm going to take my foil and I'm going to crumble it up into a ball. And this is what I'm going to paint with. You can see all the grooves and edges on there. So once you crumble it up into a ball, you just put the planet on the paper and you dip and you can dip it and just dot it, and you keep doing that with whatever colors you want to use. I'm using the red first. I'm going to cover the whole thing in red. And then I'm going to add some black to it. Okay, I finished with the red, so I'm just going to add a little black to it. that's it. So that's all done. Get this out of the way. Move this aside carefully so I don't get too much paint on my fingers. Then we're gonna attach it to, there's paint on here. Pull this up a little bit. Attach it to the, oops, glue stick stuck in there. I think it's time for a new glue stick, folks. This one has lasted me as long as I've been doing videos, so I've got a good amount of time out of it. Okay, and I'm gonna just put some glue right in the middle. Putting a lot of glue on it. Just right in the middle. And we'll toss my trusty old glue stick out. Stick that down and carefully use your finger to push it down. It's not falling off. Okay, then the last bit is to add the star stickers, and we know the stars aren't really star shaped or orange and pink and yellow. They're just different kinds of light, but these are fun, so we're going to use them anyway. So we just stick the star stickers on and use as many or as few as you like. You can use all of them, you could just use one, you could use none if you really want to. And that's all there is to it. And that's it. That's my Mars painting.